In other news, how many more stakeholders in the Negril tourism belt are demanding action after unattended cattle crossing the road caused a third road crash in 5 days? The latest accident in Little London, Westmoreland, has left a motorcyclist hospitalized in serious condition.
How many more people have got to be injured before we do something about these animals on the road?
Elaine Allen Bradley, president of the Negril Chamber of Commerce. Her comments come after a fifth accident involving unattended cow in Little London, Westmoreland. It's left a motorcyclist battling for life in hospital.
The mayor said they're getting a pound. They're going to commission the pound in Westmoreland again. But we need it with urgency and not just talk. We need some action. I am so sorry that so many people's lives are being threatened by animals on the road.
Constable Tajay Ibanks died last Sunday when his service vehicle collided with a cow, and 22-year-old Christopher Samuels was killed after the car he was traveling in collided with a cow on Wednesday. There were also 2 other reported incidents between last Friday and Sunday in the area. Tour bus operator Brian told our news team the animals are a constant bother.
Many times I've been traveling the road and I've seen these cows plaguing us on the road. I wouldn't like to be going that route, taking my guests to the falls or wherever, and these cows come out and mash my vehicle up, injure the tourists and all of that stuff. All right, so the relevant authorities, we want them to just do what they got to do to make this problem solved.
No, the business community is demanding action.
I think we should set an example of the people who own these animals, just to make sure they look after their animals and keep them safe, because also it's cruelty to animals. And I think it's very sad that human beings has to lose their lives, specifically through animals on the road, and I think it's just carelessness.
In the meantime, Minister of National Security Dr. Horace Chang is defending the government's actions on road safety, noting improvements since the administration implemented the new Road Traffic Act. But he concedes crossing cows are a challenge on the road.
It is working better. Still a way to go to get all the bits and pieces together, but certainly the police is taking very definitive and strong action to road safety, including keeping animals off the highways. But it's a real challenge and a very unfortunate situation.